Imagine starting every day feeling empowered, centered, and full of positive energy. What if a few simple sentences each morning could transform your entire outlook on life? Welcome to the powerful world of daily affirmations, where words shape reality. Affirmations are not just feel-good quotes or motivational sayings. They are proven tools for developing a persistent, positive mindset. By affirming your values and capabilities, you actively reshape your thoughts, helping to dispel negativity and boost your confidence. Whether you are seeking success, happiness, or inner peace, affirmations are your daily dose of intentional positivity. Today, at Case Conquet, we will guide you through the essentials of creating and using daily affirmations that resonate with your spirit and ambitions. Stay tuned as we unlock the simple yet profound practice that might just be the key to transforming your thoughts and elevating your life. Affirmations are simple, powerful statements that, when repeated often, help you to make positive changes in your life. Think of them as positive mantras for manifesting aspects of your life that you wish to change or enhance. They are not just wishful thinking, but a cognitive tool that harnesses the power of positive thinking. The purpose of these affirmations is to encourage an optimistic mindset and challenge negative or unhelpful thoughts. When you repeat them often, affirmations reinforce the belief in your abilities and your intrinsic worth, helping you maintain a focused and hopeful perspective on life. Scientifically, affirmations can rewire our brains. When we verbalize something and repeat it to ourselves, it influences our brain activity. It encourages the brain to take these commands and turn them into reality. The more you affirm something, the more your brain works to make it happen. Emotionally, affirmations affect your mood. They serve as reminders of your strength and dreams, reducing stress and anxiety by focusing your energy on positive outcomes. They can be particularly effective in managing negative emotions and empowering you to take actions in your life. By consistently integrating affirmations into your daily routine, you create a mental landscape where optimism thrives and setbacks are viewed as temporary and manageable. Affirmations are a key to unlocking resilience and achieving sustained emotional wellness. Integrating affirmations into your daily life is straightforward and can be incredibly impactful. The key is consistency and intention. Let's explore how and when you can use affirmations to maximize their effectiveness. Morning routine. Start your day with affirmations. As you wake up, take a few moments to recite your affirmations aloud. This sets a positive tone for the day, empowering you to face any challenges with confidence. You can do this while looking in the mirror as you get ready or quietly in your mind as you prepare your morning coffee. Commuting. Turn your commute into a motivational session. Whether you are driving, walking, or commuting by public transit, use this time to reinforce your affirmations. Listening to recorded affirmations or repeating them silently can transform travel into a personal development opportunity. Work breaks. Incorporate affirmations into your breaks at work. This can help alleviate stress and maintain your focus. A quick affirmation session can refresh your mindset and boost your productivity for the rest of the day. Evening reflections. End your day with affirmations to unwind and process the day's events. Reflecting on positive affirmations before sleep can promote a restful night and help you end your day on a note of gratitude and peace. To create a personal affirmation routine, choose affirmations that resonate deeply with your personal aspirations and challenges. Write them down in a journal or create an affirmation board. Regularly update your affirmations to align with your evolving goals and experiences. These personalizations make the practice more impactful and relevant to your unique journey. Remember, The power of affirmation lies in your beliefs in them and your commitment to them. Make them a part of your daily ritual and watch as they transform your mindset and your life. Affirmations are a versatile tool in your personal development arsenal. They can be crafted to support various aspects of your life, from boosting your self-esteem to managing anxiety. Let's go through some powerful affirmations and discuss how they can transform your mindset and daily experiences. Number 1. Self-esteem. I am worthy of love and respect. This affirmation reinforces your intrinsic value and combats feelings of inadequacy or self-doubt. By affirming your worthiness daily, you cultivate a strong sense of self-esteem that empowers you to take on challenges and express your needs and desires boldly. Number 2. Anxiety relief. I breathe in peace, I breathe out tension. This affirmation helps soothe anxiety by focusing on controlled breathing and the release of stress. It promotes a calming effect on your mind, encouraging you to manage anxiety proactively with each breath you take. Number 3. Abundance. I attract success and prosperity with ease. This affirmation opens your mind to opportunities and positive outcomes, fostering a mindset of abundance. It encourages you to expect and therefore find success and prosperity in your endeavors. Number 4. Personal growth. Every day I evolve and become more of who I'm meant to be. This affirmation supports continuous personal development and learning. It acknowledges that growth is an ongoing process and motivates you to strive for improvement and fulfillment daily. Using these affirmations consistently allows you to reshape your thoughts and feelings about yourself and your environment. They act as reminders of your strength and goals, helping you to maintain an optimistic and proactive approach to life's challenges. Creating your own affirmations is a deeply personal and empowering process. It allows you to tailor statements that speak directly to your aspirations and the areas of life you wish to enhance or transform. Let's walk through how you can craft affirmations that are not only personal, but also powerful. Step number 1. Identify your goals and needs. Start by reflecting on what you want to achieve or change. Are you seeking more confidence, striving for better health, or looking to cultivate more meaningful relationships? Clearly defining your goals will guide the focus of your affirmations. Step number 2. Use positive present tense language. Use positive present tense language. The key to effective affirmations is to phrase them as if they are already happening. This not only helps to set your intention, but also tricks your brain into believing the statement is true. For example, instead of saying, I will be confident, say, I am confident. This asserts confidence as a current state. Step number 3. Keep it positive and simple. Affirmations should always be positive and affirm what you want, not what you want to avoid. Use simple, clear language that leaves no room for ambiguity. For instance, rather than saying I'm not stressed, you can say I am at peace or I feel calm. This focuses your energy on the desired positive outcome. Step number 4. Make it personal and emotional. Connect your affirmations to your personal feelings and desires. The more personal and emotionally charged your affirmations, the more effective it will be. For example, I am joyfully embracing my journey and loving myself each day. This not only affirms self-love, but also the joy in your personal growth journey. Step number 5. Repeat and integrate into daily life. Repetition is crucial. Regularly recite your affirmations, especially during times of reflection like early morning or before sleep. Consider setting reminders on your phone or posting them where you will see them throughout the day. Crafting your own affirmations allows you to focus on what is truly important to you and empowers you to manifest these aspirations into your daily life. Take the time to create affirmations that resonate with your core values and watch as they transform your mindset and your reality. As we wrap up our journey through the powerful practice of daily affirmations, remember, these simple statements have the potential to significantly alter your mindset and reshape your reality. Affirmations help reinforce your strengths and aspirations, serving as daily reminders to live your life with intention and optimism. Making affirmations a regular part of your day can transform occasional positivity into a constant, uplifting presence in your life. It's about cultivating an attitude that whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve. I encourage you to start and end your day with affirmations. Embed them in your routine and watch as your world changes one positive thought at a time. Share your favorite affirmations in the comments below or tell us how affirmations have changed your life. We love hearing your stories and learning how we can grow together in this journey. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use a boost of positivity, and don't forget to subscribe to Kay's Calm Kit for more inspiring content. And if you are looking to deepen your understanding of mindfulness and its transformative power, check out our detailed video on mindfulness for beginners. It's a perfect next step to expand on the foundations we've built today. Click the link in the description below to watch. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the path to a joyful and fulfilling life is not just about big leaps, but also about the small affirmative steps we take every day. Keep affirming, keep striving, and keep thriving. Until next time, stay positive and empowered. Much love.